JD Sports Fashion has reported a near 20% drop in profits as the company cautioned over inflation and the effects of that on consumer spending habits. Let's take a look at the numbers as they came through this morning. The sportswear chain posting an 18% drop in pre-tax profits to £298.3 million for the 6 months through to the end of July. Before exceptional items, this came through at £383.5 million. The company remains cautious about the outlook for trading in the second half of the year. Despite the fact the results were at the top end of expectations, the concerns are about the outlook and where the company is going. And profits in North America nearly halved as a result of the temporary fiscal stimulus in the US last year, boosting sales more than usual. So the comparisons were very hard to achieve, and we saw this drop. Let's take a look at the share price chart, because this really says it all. We were talking before the release of the numbers this morning as we saw this band between 109 pence and 132. In the event, the stock was down over 5% at the start of today's trade, and you can see clearly the candle that we've got on this drop that we've seen here. At the worst point today, we were all the way down at the low point of 117 pence, which is pretty much not too far away from where we are. But 109 is the line of support. If in the future we get further concerns about the outlook, and as we see household budgets come under further pressure because of rising energy bills, we could well end up seeing this stock disappear below that line of support and go down below £1, which would be a significant move for this stock. On the upside, we've got resistance kicking in at 132, and the recent highs now seem a long while ago. In the middle of July, we were talking about 144 pence a share, but clearly the outlook has worsened, and the company is now in this dark situation where the second half looks as though it could well be worse than the first half of this year.